Roy Vincent, sales head of a beverage company in Gulf. Of late, I am involved in the brand marketing function of the company and was keen to study the latest updates of brand marketing process. As a senior practicing manager and a key member of the top decision-making team, my learnings from this course has a direct impact to the contributions I make in the decision-making process. The course offered by Mica through Talent Edge has perfectly suited my requirements to learn the brand marketing in detail. The course content it provides is world-class, and the faculty is one of the best in India. It's commendable that even the industry experts who are very prominent in their territories, who has deep insights in their respective territories, are part of the faculty. The online interaction with faculty gives a real classroom feel, and the online interactive platform provided by Talent Edge is highly user-friendly. It's very easy to use. As an international student, what attracts me more about this course is that I'm able to revisit the classes once attended again and again, and it's very much required for a serious learner like me.